Mmm.
Mm-hmm.
Oh man.
Oh wow. Cheers. Okay.
I don't really like
Oh.
it.
I don't like that.
It's kind of thick and creamy. I like it.
It's okay.
It's very like fluffy. I'm not feeling it. It's kind
No?
of like
I need a little more.
cocoa water.
It tastes kind of like chalk.
It's chocolatey.
That's not real chocolate.
All right, number 2.
This one looks like pudding almost.
It's almost more like a mousse,
Yep.
like a chocolate
agree.
mousse.
Oh, this is better. This. Oh wait, no, but that aftertaste is not good.
I don't like this one either.
Oh, it's better.
Yeah, it tastes more sweet.
But there's like a weird aftertaste.
That's sugary.
It's thicker.
But wait, there's something happening after.
It's a little, like slippery, slimy or something.
Slimy.
Slimy's a good word for
Yeah.
I know chocolate, and that is not chocolate.
Number 3.
This one tastes closer to ice cream than these other two, I think.
This is something to it, like a different type of,
like hickory root or
yeah, like a different type of nut milk, cashew milk.
yeah,
That is a coconut chocolate ice cream
coconut chocolate.
that I like to eat, and I eat that all the time.
It's good.
Yes, number 3.
That's disgusting. That one's not good.
Oh, my eyes are kind of watering. That's bad.
It's a pass for me.
Yeah. Let's see, number 4.
I really like this one.
Yeah, that one's pretty good.
Oh, I like that one. That one's good. It's like creamier.
Oh yeah, that's
Tastes
the
more
better
like
one.
ice cream.
Oh, this one's great.
Yeah, that one's really good.
That one's good too.
I like that. This one, out of all so far, tastes the most authentic. It's a good texture. It's a good flavor. It's not too strong.
It's less creamy. I kind of like this one more than the other ones. Like I can sit here and eat a lot of this. No aftertaste. Not horrible.
Yeah.
All right, last one.
Okay.
Very chocolatey.
Very chocolatey. Very sweet.
hmm
This is probably the sweetest.
Mm-hmm.
It's very chocolatey. I think I'll pass on this one. You like this one?
I like it though.
Yeah, this one's pretty good.
Yeah, I'm not into that at all.
This one's not good at all.
Mm-mm.
What is this? This is not good. This
Oh.
tastes like cherry chocolate.
Tastes
ice
like
cream.
marshmallows.
I like it.
I do too.
Tastes like hot chocolate, but cold.
I don't know. Vegan ice cream? I don't know if I like vegan ice cream.
See, I don't eat dairy ice cream,
Okay.
so I don't know.
I think I might still gravitate towards like Haagen-Dazs.
Because it's 10:30 in the morning and we eat ice cream, so.
True.